Hi everyone, welcome back to the vlog. And today we are going to be dyeing my hair gray violet. Gray. I don't know. We'll just mix the colors in and see what it does to my hair. So, as I said, I'm going to be coloring my hair a little darker because I have a meeting tomorrow and, first impression. So, I just want to fix how my hair looks like right now. My camera is kind of really bright, but if you see it live, my hair is still a little bit neon pink on the top, and then it's almost pastel pink to white on the end, so it doesn't look good, especially when I don't comb my hair. And yeah, since I'll be meeting a client tomorrow, I just want to look a little more presentable. I'm gonna be using yung mga tira-tira kong dyes from my past hair colors because sobrang temporary lang to. Like, if I don't want how it turns out, or if it turns out too dark, I'm probably gonna be washing it out in the next few days. But at least, for tomorrow, gusto ko lang magmukhang presentable. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be using for this dyeing session. So, as I said kanina, I'm planning to do parang violet dark gray to my hair. I actually have dark gray from Technicolor PH. Here. But this is quite dark. As in, dark talaga siya, almost black. But, hindi kasi ako fan ng sobrang ganong ka-dark na hair. So, I'm gonna dilute this a bit. But, I'm going to be using Bighari's purple or Morado color. Looks a little bright on the camera, but this is actually darker. So, I'm gonna be mixing, no more measuring, tansya-tansya na lang, and let's see how it turns out on my hair. By the way, may special guest pala ako. Avery's sleeping. Sobrang late na, dapat natutulog na rin ako. Hindi lang ako makatiis. Ayoko lang talaga ng pangit na buhok bukas. Start mixing. Technicolor, I've been using Technicolor PH, I think for a year now. Before I finally decided to make my own colors. I'm a big fan of their colors. They're actually sila yung next to Daico hair dye, sila yung talagang na-patronize ko na local hair color brand. Kasi, I think, after Daico, sila yung nakita ko na semi-permanent dyes. Because syempre, ang known dyes here in the Philippines, yung hinahaluan ng oxidizing cream, yung nakaka-damage pa rin kasi yun because there's oxidizing cream used. But yeah, see, Technicolor, it was one of the first few semi-permanent dyes na local or Filipino made. So I became a fan. I think I've tried almost all their colors. I've tried their yellow, rose gold, peach, sapphire blue, ink purple. I think I've tried almost all their colors except for aquamarine or like mermaid blue, I think. But yeah. Pero most colors I've tried. Anyway, so this is what it looks like now. I'm mixing Morado of Bighari and dark gray from Technicolor. So, this is really an experiment. Huwag nyo itong gagayahin at home because usually, kapag patong-patong lang ng hair yung ginagawa mo, it turns out really, really, really bad. Ano lang talaga, medyo umabot na ako sa point na sobrang tapang ko na lang when it comes to the things that I put or color my hair with. But yeah, wag niyo siyang gagayahin if you're not sure how it's going to turn out kasi baka magsisi kayo. Okay, so guys, just doing a little bit more mixing, but I think I already have the color that I like. Okay, so mahirap pa rin mag-color ng hair even if super sanay ka on your own. But usually, pag ako lang mag-isa, I usually start from dun sa proper na hati ng hair ko. Ito, yung pinaka malaking portion. And then, tinitease ko lang siya to go to the different parts of the hair. Pero pagdating sa hair, medyo bara-bara ko na siya ginagawa because mahirap siyang sundan. Anyway naman, if it's just one color for all your hair, hindi na siya ganun ka hirap gawin. So, I'm gonna start coloring my hair now. Wish me luck! Another thing that I love about semi-permanent dyes is that dahil para siyang conditioner, I don't have to hardcore use a brush to do the distribution. Since combing my hair like this actually helps spread everything. So, it's really easier to apply. Okay, huwag niyo akong tularan guys. Like, there's a better way to do this. But, right now, I'm just using the tamad method. So, ito na yung hassle when you're doing DIY hair. Like, this one's easy. Like, you see pa natapunan ako ng dye. Anyway. This one's easy kasi you see pa the parts na hindi mo pa nalalagyan. Pero yung sa bato ko, I am playing it by ear. Pinakikiramdaman ko lang siya. Yan, like yan. Ayan, nakikita ko pa siya. So, yun pa yung mga ayusin natin. Ayan. I think I've pretty much covered everything already. If not, bahala na si Batman. But the important thing is, medyo mas malinis na siya. So, there's just one color for everything. So, medyo mas presentable na tingnan yung buhok ko. Technicolor hair dye naman. They're keratin infused. That's why I really love them. Kaya kaya ko siya iwan sa buhok ko overnight because it's like conditioning or parang doing deep conditioning treatment on your hair. Tapos coloring it at the same time. Parang hitting two birds with one stone. Okay, so what's gonna happen is that I'm gonna be wrapping my hair in this. Diba? Industrial grade yung glad wrap ko. I'm gonna be wrapping my hair in this and then I'm gonna sleep on it. So nakababad siya overnight and then tomorrow morning, I'm gonna wash it out, blow dry, and I'm gonna show you how it turns out. So, pare-pareho tayong matutulog ngayon nang hindi ko alam kung ano ang kulay ng buhok ko bukas. And before I say goodnight, when you color your hair with semi-permanent dye, remember to take this out first before you sleep if you plan to do it overnight like me. Take out all those stains like by using a facial cleanser, micellar water, what have you, whatever you have, a makeup remover, whatever you have available, use it. Remove all those marks, those color marks here because it's gonna stain and you're not gonna be able to remove it. Like,
the next day.
Good morning guys. So I wasn't able to film anymore how my hair turned out and muffled yung boses ko dahil nakamask na ako, sorry. But this is how it turned out. It's grayish violet, ash violet. But yeah, at least I got yung dark tone that I wanted just so it looks decent. Yeah, and I'm running late kaya hindi na ako nakapag-video. I'm waiting for my Grab because baka ma-late na ako. But yeah, this is how it turned out. Super nice. Medyo magulo pa yung buhok ko. Wala na akong time mag-ayos pero late talaga. But anyway, thanks for watching.